Hello everybody. This is the second video in my data pack um, tutorial. This time it's not really focused on data packs, but more so a command that you're able to do with it that I've seen some other creators on this platform do. So if you know about commands like whenever you jump on like an emerald block it sets your spawn. Well, that's what I'm be teaching you in this video on how to do. And I'm be doing it with the use of data packs, which actually is a lot simpler than you may think. I'm be teaching you today how to get three effects, and in next video I'll teach you how to set spawn points and other stuff. So today let's focus on effect commands. Whenever, like, let's say if I jump on this blackstone, I give myself the blindness effect until I hop off a little while afterwards. On this ice, let's say because it's cold, I jump really high, and on this um, magenta glazed terracotta, I go faster because like of the arrows. So let's jump into it. All right, so first things you want to do is you're going to want to jump right into the file section of this. So you're going to go and open up your data pack. If you don't know how to do this, I recommend watching last video's tutorial. That'll give you a good explanation of what's going on. So you're going to come in here and go into your namespace and find your take.mc function, as this is going to be something that runs forever. It's not just a load up. I've already removed what we have done previously as to not confuse you guys. So we're going to start in by getting it where um, black blackstone here gives us blindness. So let's go into here and you're going to type out this command. This is part of the execute command database if you know how to use it. So I'm going to do execute space at a if block. Okay, take a step back here. So what is this actually doing? So what we're doing in Minecraft right now is we are executing at my player base. So where I'm standing, if I do this real quick, where I'm standing is where the command is going to be run. Think of it like a command block that's always placed at my feet, except like inside of me almost. That is where that's running. So from here, we are now testing if the block tilde space tilde -1 tilde, if the block directly under me is um is a block of your choice, then you can do a run command with it. So in this case, I'm going to type out Minecraft colon blackstone, and then so now what this is doing is now it's going to run um a command if there's blackstone directly at my feet. So then let's go back in here and you're going to do space as at a. So now it's being run as me. Like if I were to go into my chat and do slash execute, it'd be ran as if I'm running it. And then you do space run. Now this is where you can do whatever you want with it. In this case, I'm be giving us blindness. So I'm gonna do effect give at s Minecraft colon blindness. And then from here, I'm going to give it for 2 seconds with the amplification of 1 and no particles. So now I can do file save and slash reload to reload our thing. It'll show it's loaded. So now, whenever I jump on here, I have blindness. And this will then run out whenever I'm not standing on blindness. So this can also be applied with any command. I'm just using the effect command for for easy simplification of this. And this can be copied and pasted as you want. So if I were to copy this, press enter, and then paste it and change this to Minecraft Ice, And then instead of giving myself blindness, I gave myself jump boost, and then giving a amplification of like 5, and then I save it, and then we do funny command slash reload to reload our thing. Now whenever I stand on here, I have jump boost, so now I jump really high because my feet are cold. Woo! You can also do this with levitation. So if you want to make it where you automatically start flying up like that, then you can have it that way. Oh yeah, do remember seconds are a thing. You want to change that to 1. Oopsie daisies. There we go. Now it's just oh what? Huh. I appear to be a little bit unsmart. Anyways, but this is how you can get yourself effects based off of blocks you're standing on. You may find this in data packs that you can see online or through the use of servers. One more, real quick, giving yourself magenta glazed terracotta. It's a handful to say. I'm actually going to keep this open because I may need to refer back to this. Um, but if I were to come back here and do instead, oh, wrong thing. If I were to copy this and paste it again, we'll just paste back the blackstone one, and then I do magenta underscore glaze underscore um what is this? Terracotta terracotta. Uh, I really don't know how to spell. My bad. My bad, chat. And then I give myself just speed with 2 second with 1 second, and I'll make it speed 2. Make sure it's 2 seconds. That way it's kind of clean and it doesn't. You're gonna have a little bit of an after effect, but you'll kind of understand it. So now if I do slash reload and I stand on here, I'm now fast, and this effect stay afterwards. So you can create cool stuff like that. You can play around with these, kind of change the seconds on it, make it shorter, make it faster, have a longer delay. So that way you can have stuff kind of like this, get like cool combo. But anyways, that's how you detect blocks directly under the player and have them run the effect command. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys later.